Alright, now we're going to be doing part 2 of the lab, testing the supernatants, which is your test tubes label 1A, 1B, and 2A and 2B. We're just going to show you 1A and 1B so that you do the same for 2A and 2B. So the first step for test tube 1A, which is right here, you need to measure out 1 milliliter of copper nitrate. So we go over here. Using our trusty volumetric pipette, measure out approximately now. Since I went over 1 milliliter, what I'm going to do is discard a little bit of it in the beaker here to get approximately 1 milliliter of solvent or copper nitrate. Okay, so here you see there's 1 milliliter of copper nitrate in the pipette. Now, if you overfill it, the pipette, never put it back into the stock solution. That's a big no-no. Just put it in a waste beaker. So here's 1A. We're going to add 1 milliliter of copper nitrate and see what happens. Hey, Jay.
Video?
Yeah.
Yeah, parking only.
So we're shaking it, and as you can see, with in this case, no precipitate is being formed when we add extra copper nitrate to the test tube. It's still clear. So in this case, you would put a negative sign next to the copper nitrate test. So as you can see in the light, it's very clear. There's no extra precipitate. Okay. That's for test tube 1A. For test tube 1B, you need to add 1 milliliter of potassium iodide. So let me go over here and make sure you use the pipette that's labeled for potassium iodide, which is right here. So, as you can see in the video, I put into the test tube labeled 1B. Make sure to always put the cap back on when you finish using your stock solution. And as you shake, if you look into the light, you can see here that there was excess copper nitrate in the solution that reacted with the potassium iodide to form more of your product. So on the so on the potassium iodide test, you would put a positive sign for yes, it performed more precipitate. So that tells you that the solution had excess copper nitrate.